Good morning students, welcome back our learning classes Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the second chapter, the nutrition in animals. In previous classes already have discussed about that different parts of our alimentary canals just like the esophagus and the mouth. Okay, and today we are going to discuss about that stomach already have discussed in the previous classes also, but today we are going to discuss about that very important part of the alimentary canal which is helping for the digestion, and it is very important for the body also. Okay, that is called as what? Intestine or small intestine. All the foods after the reaching the stomach, it will go to the small intestine, and it is just like a coil structure. It is just like a pipe coil structure whose length is long generally approximately nearly 7.5 meter. Okay, so let us discuss about that. What is this? Students, small intestine. It is the fourth part of that our digestive system or that alimentary canal, and we will discuss about that. What is this? It is a highly coiled like structure. That how like it will be? Now just like coil. You have seen that like that coil like it is rounded and tube like structure, and its length is generally 7.5 meter length. Okay. Its length is about 7.5 meter long tube. What is the length of this? 7.5 meter long. Digestion of all types of food is carried out and completed here after the stomach. Then it reaches that at last where in small intestine, and here it is that all the foods are digested and other remain that waste things it will go for the large intestine. Okay students. So next we will discuss digestion in a small intestine is carried out with the help of secretion from the liver and pancreas. When the digestion in a small intestine is carried out, how it will digested, how it is going on the digestion. Now by that secretion of digestion juice from the liver, that is a bile juice here secreting like that, and another one also by pancreas also some juice are secreting, which one is helping for the digestion of the food. Digestive juice secreted by the small intestine. So the digestive juice where it is secreting? From the small intestine. That is generally we will get that present which one? That is liver and pancreas. What is that liver? Friends, liver is the largest gland in the body. Liver is the largest gland in the body. Whatever how many glands are there in the body, that largest gland which one that is? Liver. If you will say that master gland, pituitary gland, but largest gland which one? Liver. It is a reddish brown and located in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. Our abdomen is there, and that upper part it is present and located. And what is that color of this? Reddish brown color. What is this color of this liver? Reddish and brown color. And it secretes the bile juice which helps to the digestion of fats. Whatever fat things we are eating, that it won't be digested in the stomach. So when it will reach at the small intestine, and it secretes the bile juice, and which is helping to the digest of the fats, or which types of what the fats types of foods we are eating, that will digest in the lastly small intestine. Then after it will go to the large intestine. Okay. Bile juice are stored in the sac called the gallbladder. That bile juice where it is stored, that is one like one bag, like one sac like is there, on a small bag like it, that is inside it is present. But what is that name? Gallbladder. Okay. So we will discuss about this. Where the structure is already figures already I have told down that here. Here observe the students. It is one picture of this. This is location of the associated gland and liver and pancreas. So there are two figures already I have here. It is represented. One is pancreas and another one is this is the stomach and this is the liver. And here it is one small glands are like that. It is one bag like it is there. Observe students here. This is called as a gallbladder. And from this bladder, what is secreting? It is the bile juice are stored. Means here it is showing. So liver is called as what? Largest gland in the body. Okay students. So next we will discuss about that large intestine animals in the next video. Thank you. You should draw and write on your notebook, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.